morning and thank you for joining us for today's Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
Oil prices rose after data showed US crude and fuel inventories drew down more than expected last week. And as US President Donald Trump's optimistic tone over upcoming talks with his Chinese counterpart helped ease economic jitters. The Dow ended lower and the S&P 500 finished flat after the Federal Reserve cut interest rates. But Fed Chair Jerome Powell said another rate cut in December is far from assured. The Nasdaq registered another record closing high, mainly boosted by Nvidia. Cryptocurrency asset manager Grayscale Investments has launched its staking-enabled Solana Spot ETF, expanding institutional access to Solana exposure. The Grayscale Solana Trust ETF began trading under the GSOL ticker on the New York Stock Exchange Arca platform.
The euro-dollar pair saw moderate losses in the last session. The CCI is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair plummeted in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal. The sterling-dollar pair saw moderate losses in the last session. The Williams indicator is in overbought territory. The Aussie-dollar pair edged lower in the last session. The stochastic RSI is in overbought territory.
In the days ahead, the economic calendar will include essential updates and key data releases. These high-impact events are expected to influence market behaviour and could lead to significant price movements. Understanding the importance of these releases is key for strategic planning. Whether outcomes meet, miss or exceed expectations, the market could respond in kind.
We hope that you've enjoyed our Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.